Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix GTA 5 script hook V critical error. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you can play without mod and fix the error. Just need to navigate to the GTA 5 directory. After you are in, you just need to search for din put 8.dll. Just cut the file and paste it in desktop. And now you can able to launch the game without error. And you can't play with a mod. That's the reason this fix is only for Rockstar game users. And same method you can play using mod and fix the problem, guys. To do this, just drag and drop the DLL file to the GTAV directory, and then just need to open up Steam and right click on the GTA 5 and select properties. Go to updates and auto updates, click on the drop down and select wait until I launch the game. Pause background downloads while I'm playing, and now this will stop the GTA 5 from update. And Epic Games users, you just need to open the Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon next to GTA 5 and go to manage, and auto update turn off, guys. After turning off, just to stop here, and now check my video description for these two links for Steam users and Epic Games users. And just need to download this file, guys. Both depends on where launcher you use. After the download done, show in folder. Extract the file for Steam users. First I'm showing for Steam. Extract all, select extract, and here is the folder. Just double click and here are the files. And now go to the GTA directory and make it as left and right. And now here are the files. Before drag and drop these files into the GTA5 directory, you just need to back up the files before dragging drop. Select the files GTA5 launcher, GTA5 underscore BE, and GTA5 and GTA5 language selector. And now find play GTA5, and here is the play GTA5. Just copy these files and open up File Explorer and paste somewhere else as backup. Just creating the folder Steam backup, and now paste the files in here. And after taking the backup, just drag and drop these files to the game directory, guys. Select the replace the file in the destination, and now you can launch the game and play with a mod. And for Epic Games users, go to downloads, right click on the Epic Games file and select extract all. Select extract. After hitting extract and double click on this folder, and here are only three files, guys, as you can see. And GTA5 B underscore BE, and play GTA5. After selecting these three, just copy these and open up a file explorer. Go to any location you want and create a folder, Epic backup. Now paste the files in here, and then just to close stuff here, drag and drop the files right to game directory and select replace the file in the destination. And now you can play using mod and without error, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.